Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you've ever wondered how to set up a beautiful, functional restaurant website using Squarespace, even if you have zero web design experience, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your restaurant's online presence from barely there to absolutely impressive, with just a few guided steps. Let's jump right in and start building. So once you're signed into your Squarespace account, the first place you'll land is the dashboard. This is basically your command center. Everything you need starts here. Look for the button that says Create Website. Go ahead and click it. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load. Squarespace is just setting the stage for your new project. Next, you'll be asked to pick a site topic. This is an important step because Squarespace will use this info to recommend designs and features that fit your needs. In this case, you want a restaurant site, so be sure to select Restaurant from the list. If you ever run a cafe, bakery, or bar, you can choose those too. But for this tutorial, we're sticking with Restaurant. Once you've found it, click Next. Now, Squarespace will ask, what do you want to do with your website? This isn't just a formality. It helps tailor suggestions and page templates to match your purpose. Maybe you want to showcase your menu, accept online reservations, or even sell merch. You can select one or more options. And don't stress if you're not 100% sure. These choices help shape your site, but you can always change things later. Once you've made your selection, hit Next again. At this point, Squarespace wants to know how you'd like to start building. You'll probably see several options, but the simplest way is to select templates. Templates are pre-made designs created by professionals, and they make launching a stunning site way easier. Just browse until you see one that fits your style, maybe a cozy and inviting look, or a sleek, modern vibe for a chic downtown spot. Remember, you're setting the mood for future customers, so imagine walking into your restaurant and pick a template that matches that feeling. After you've chosen your template, Squarespace will let you select a color palette. This step might seem small, but your colors help define your restaurant's brand. Think of it as picking the paint for your front door. Does your restaurant feel warm and homey or energetic and bold? Choose tones that match your vibe. Take your time here. If you change your mind later, updating colors is easy. Then you're on to fonts. Fonts might not be the first thing on your mind when launching a site, but they really help set the character. Pick ones that are easy to read and suit your restaurant's style. Imagine looking at your menu. Would you want guests squinting to read tiny script or feeling annoyed by sharp, harsh letters? Squarespace will show you options and even suggest which work well with your chosen palette. Once you've personalized the basics, you'll land in your site editor. Here's where the real creativity begins. This part is a bit like decorating your restaurant. You get to add sections such as menus, photo galleries showing off your dishes, a reservation form, maybe a spot for customer reviews. There's no pressure for perfection. Just experiment and see what feels right. Squarespace makes it easy to drag sections around, add text or images, and preview how it all looks. Whenever you make changes, remember to save your work and hit preview so you can see exactly how visitors will experience your site. It's normal if you want to go back and tweak things. Great websites evolve as you see what works best. And that's it. You've just built the foundation for your restaurant's online presence on Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment with any questions or ideas you want to share. I love hearing your thoughts. Make sure you subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides on building your best business online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.